Oh my gosh, I see it. Guys, it's gonna be so pretty. POV, I was never on time to school, but I can be on time to a sunrise. Oh, so the package man at 6 in the morning, I was just ran over. Why are we here at 6 in the morning is the question. Welcome to sunrise. There's sometimes you don't know what you're gonna get, ever. As much as I wanted it to be so pretty, it's supposed to be a nice day today. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and it looks really gloomy outside. But I also wasn't really expecting much because this isn't even the way the sun rises. Wait, which way am I facing? Sunrise is right here. Let's go out. Let's go out anyways. Yeah, it's not very pretty out here. But I mean, it's good to be here at 7 o'clock in the morning. Like, good morning world, how cute. I could go take a walk on the beach, but do I really want to? Kind of, I kind of do want to. There is in fact a creepy guy to the right of me right now. Let's go walk on the beach, shall we? And then I want a coffee, really bad. The place where the beach is warm and the wind isn't cold. I'm so paranoid, I actually can't do this. Luckily my grandpa's house is literally on the beach over there. I can just go run to him. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I stayed right now. This might not be much for you East Coast people who wake up for the sunrise every single day. For me, a West Coast gal. Oh my gosh, why can you not see anything? It's so much prettier in person, please trust. Like the clouds and the mountains are finally peeping through. It's so pretty. I almost went back to bed today. Like, I'm so happy I did it. Because now I just get to go get my coffee, which is the best part of my morning. And this, and it's like the little things that make you so happy. Because although this might not be the prettiest thing in the world, she's still in my heart. You're waking up with the world, you know? I'm gonna sit here a little bit longer and I'm gonna go get my coffee. And it's gonna be a good morning. If you're watching this in the morning, make today a good day. Guys, should I go in? I'm kidding. Let's go back to the car. So cool. I didn't get kidnapped. Now that I'm like freshly awakened, we're gonna go get coffee because I'm not awakened enough. I'm also gonna blast my car heat. It's so cool. Oh, hey girl, hey. I'll see you at the coffee place. Or probably after I get my coffee because social anxiety will not let me order it on camera. We are back and I got my coffee. I am in love with this. It's so good. I got a iced spiced chai with a shot of espresso with oat milk this time because they were out of hemp. Dirty chai's on top. But I thought we should talk about my phone case and my phone itself because Casetify is the sponsor of today's video. Thank you so much Casetify for sending me some cases. So first up we have this one and then we have this one. This one is so cute. It says good things will always find you. And lastly this one. This one has to be my favorite because it's literally me in a phone case, which is why I chose it. Like, tell me that is not the cutest thing ever. One time I was on the back of a golf cart and my phone, I was just holding it. Next thing you know, I wasn't. It flew off the back of the golf cart and I was panicking. Luckily, my Casetify cases saved my life. Like, not a single crack, scratch, or anything. And I'm so blessed that I've been a Casetify fan for years. So there's constantly been a Casetify case on my phone. And ever since I got the iPhone 15, I am in desperate need of some protection. So I dropped my phone a lot. I also consistently like changing my phone cases, so I had this one on earlier. I think we're gonna go with this one for like the next month. I chose this one because it just gives me a positive vibe to it. But going back to this case, I chose this one literally just because it's pink. And cheetahs are my favorite animal, and there's like cheetah or a leopard on it. But since I'm hyping up these impact cases so much, we're gonna do a drop test just so I can show you how nothing's gonna happen to your phone because we're all clumsy sometimes. So let's go drop her first. More coffee. So good. As you can see, my phone has 0 cracks, 0 scratches, and I'm even showing the back camera. And I was so scared to drop my phone, but here we go. Here's me showing my phone completely fine, and I'm so happy it is. And I also want to show you guys what it would be like in any situation, like being outside on a walk or run, which I'm constantly dropping my phone on. I'm so happy to say my phone survived the concrete as well. And just in case you drop your phone down the stairs too, no damage. So you can go to casetify.com/avarae to see my top picks and pick out the perfect case for you. The link is in my description. I need to clean my room really bad, but when do I not? So yeah, let's clean her up. don't even know why I made my bed because I'm literally changing my sheets later. Finally clean, and it feels so good to actually like know that it's probably gonna stay this way for a day. I don't know, we'll see. But I have a Pilates class scheduled at 12:30. I meant 12:10, but it's 11:14 and I have to leave in 15 minutes to actually get there on time. It's 20 minutes away. I like to be early to these because I like to pick my spot. I go to Solid Core and there's also a Sweet Green right by it, so you better believe I'll be getting a salad. It's the best. It's so good. Okay, anyways, thought I would show you some options I have for Pilates today and you're gonna help me decide what to wear. First up, we have these blue leggings from Set Active, and then with it I have this like blue Set Active like sports bra tank duo. It's definitely interesting. I've never worn it. There's the Set logo. And so I just really am craving to wear this today, but I might not even like it. How'd I end up in this, you ask? I actually don't know. I just felt like I did not want to show my body today. It's actually getting warm outside right now. Like it's in the 60s. We're gonna be walking around after, so I thought this was the best option. And yeah, that's it. Shorts are Free People, top is Brandy, and then I'm just wearing a blue bra. I will see you when we're at Pilates. I forgot to order my Sweet Green. You're done. I just love that class today. It killed me. Okay, post-workout grub, Sweet Green. I'm starving. You're literally set up on my shoes right now. My big ass Uggs. That is my phone platform right now. I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I was supposed to get it not mixed, but oops. So it's not very pretty. Crispy rice bowl. So that's crispy rice and wild rice. It's yummy almond. Lime. Change the dressing to sweet spicy cashew, but I get green goddess chicken, cucumbers, carrots, arugula. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this. It's gonna be an 11 out of 10. Love you. I just finished my makeup and I also just showered, and I've been itching to show you guys my wavy hair routine slash curly hair, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna show you the products I use. A lot of people have been asking. I've already done this on TikTok, but like, why not on YouTube? You guys are my pride and joy. I love you more. I'm gonna go through all my products and just like the techniques I use, because today I'm feeling like the wavy hair. First thing I use is the Way leave-in conditioner. This stuff is the best because it has a heat protectant in it and I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it for a while and it's lasted me quite a long time. This is just for extra protection and hydration. I swear this is what keeps my hair healthy. And then next I use the curl cream from Way. If I could marry a product, it would be this. I've tried so many curl cream. This is the best. And today was hair wash day too, meaning that I used my Shea Moisture curl products. Get it through the roots, don't be scared of it. And you want your hair to be stiff. And then you start scrunching. You want your hair to hear that noise. Now I take the Not Your Mother's Activating Curl Talk Mousse. This stuff is really good. And this is what makes your hair really crunchy. But just do it. Just do it. Technique is when you're at the top with your curls or wave, you want to like pulse it, prevents frizz. Okay, now I'm gonna just take a t-shirt and scrunch out all the extra product. I feel like this is what makes them. I kind of need to stand up for this. We're transferring locations. It's so hot by my window. When I say it's 70 degrees outside, in my room like feels like it doesn't have air conditioning. I'm being so dead ass. Like I wish I could be in a short sleeve t-shirt right now. Okay, it's sort of working. It's getting there. Let's add gel. This is the gel I use. It's the Kinky Curling Custard. It's the one Greta Wilson uses. If you know, you know. It does smell like cinnamon rolls, but she hypes it up to smell so much better than it actually does. Sorry, I said it. I don't think it smells like it. But it works. Only gel I've actually tried though, so. And you really do not need that much of this. Gel's doing it. The gel is doing it for them today. Normally it's the mousse, but today the gel is pulling it all together. And I actually did just get a diffuser. Like it came like yesterday diffuser. Low-key, that's what inspired me to do this today. I think I want to diffuse my hair. And we're gonna try it together. Unboxing haul. My hands feel so oily right now, but yes. This diffuser specifically is supposed to go on the blow dryer I have. Let's hope it does. Yay! You better believe we're diffusing my hair today. I don't know how to do this. This is the best effect on my blow dryer ever. The cool air. I feel like I've just been blessed. Okay, so this is the final product. There's definitely some improvement to like be done. My first try, like diffusing, I feel like it turned out okay. Yeah, but today's hair calls for a full-on clap lift. I feel like I just want to go take a whole nother shower again, so I might go do that. I don't know. Okay, bye.